Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on scatter chart report item. Before getting into this video, let me give a small introduction about this chart. Scatter chart, also referred to as a scatter plot or point chart, is used to plot data with two numeric parameters. In this video, I will show you how to add a scatter chart to an RDL report and how to change its properties. First, let's create a new report. Create a new report, and name it scatter chart. To learn how to create your first report, click the link provided in this video's description. Then, create a dataset to assign data to the chart. Create a new data source, name it sales details using the JSON data connector. And click the Connect button. The Query Designer page will open. Name it Sales Dataset. And click the Finish button. A dataset is created. I have also provided the video link for creating a data source and dataset using the JSON data connector, and the link for the JSON query in this video's description. Now, let's add a scatter chart to the report. Drag and drop the chart from the item panel to the designer's surface. You will also see the properties displayed. The Data tab is enabled to assign a value from the database to the chart. The Name field represents the name of the chart. The properties are divided into 13 categories based on its usage. You can change the size of the chart by extending the corners, or by dragging the points at the center. I resize the chart according to my requirement. Now let me assign data to the scatter chart. To assign data, click Data on the Properties panel. The Data panel will open, and you will see the fields in the dataset displayed. If you have multiple datasets, you can select the dataset you require by using the Dataset dropdown. The numeric columns and expressions are listed in the Measures section. And the remaining types of expressions and dimensions are listed in the Dimensions section. Drag the Sales field from the Measures section to the Y-value section. By default, the sum aggregate function will be applied to the expression. You can change the aggregate function by clicking the Settings button. The context menu will be displayed. Click the Aggregate option to display the list of aggregate methods. You can also change the aggregate function using the Expression option. Click the Preview button. You will see the scatter chart with the sum of the sales. Click the Design button. Then, I drag and drop the Sales Month field from the Dimensions section to the Column section. On Preview, the sales for each month is displayed in the chart. You can group the fields by adding the fields in the Rows section. I drag and drop the Company Name field from the Dimensions section to the Rows section. On Preview, you will see the sales field values grouped based on the Company Name field and measured against Sales Month field values. Here the months are not sorted in any order. Click the Design button. To sort months in the ascending order, click the Settings icon for the Sales Month field. And select Sorts. The sorting dialog will open. Click the icon next to the Sort by Value. And select the Expression option. In the Expression dialog, enter the expression that converts the month string to month name. And click the OK button. Select the sort type ascending. Click OK. When assigning each field, the chart will be refreshed in the design area. On preview, the months are in the ascending order. Now, I'll format the scatter chart. To format the chart, click Properties. The Property panel will be displayed. Under the Appearance category, I changed the border style to double. Color to black. Thickness to 1.833. In the chart area, I enable the Show Border property. The border property is displayed. I change the border color to black. Thickness to 2. And select the chart palette property, Pacific. Under the title, I enter company sales details. The title changes accordingly. In the Node Data category, I enter Node Data to display. Under the category axis, I enter months. You can also customize the font in the axis title property. Click the icon next to it. And select Advanced. In the Advanced property, I change the font size to 13. And font weight to bold. In the Value axis, I enter the axis title value as sales. And change the font size to 13. And font weight to bold. Under the Miscellaneous category, I set the tooltip value to Company Sales Details chart. Click the Preview button. You will see the chart. When hovering over the chart, you will see the text entered in the tooltip property displayed. In this video, I showed you how to add a scatter chart to the Report Designer control, and how it is rendered in the Report Viewer control while previewing it. We have also planned another video that explains the properties of the chart report item. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.